right, folks, so we are at week 13, end of week 13, and we'll do a little progress of what got done this week, and which is doors got put on. Obviously I just walked through this door. We didn't have doors before, so yeah, these doors got on. By the way, we do a little introduction. My name is Darius. I'm a Polish Canadian living in the Philippines, building a house over here, married to a Filipina. And yeah, that's my little introduction, but we're gonna do a little walkthrough, quick little walkthrough today. Tiles are almost done. There's a couple rows left. They didn't do this last row here because they want to know what the track size is going to be for the doors. So they will, they should be able to finish that up tomorrow. Kuya is the one who is building the doors, making the doors for us over here. So we can get that schedule and figure it out pretty quickly and easily. All right, so the daily progress here is the countertop over here getting finished, double walls over here. This wall over here got finished up. We're going to be putting some counters in there. Boys are going with the tile here. I think another day or so and they will be done the kitchen. A day and a half anyways. And then there was some progress in a CR. We got the countertop down here. So this is the side where the countertop is going to be at. And we're starting with that tiles on a wall. So this is what the color is going to look like. Tiles in the bathroom got done quite a bit. We don't have a light. This is the only room that doesn't have a light in here, but I think you guys can still see it. Wall is getting done here. They're going to do the floor last. And the countertop, or the counters got done, and then we're going to do, we also have a granite countertop for this that we did buy. I was continuing. Counters are done over here. We just got to put the countertops on. And this little shelf, there's going to be a couple shelves on this one going this way. And then on this side, they're going to go the other way towards like the kitchen part there. Alec is just putting doors on. And then we got something going on here. Tiles are all going in here. Look at this. It's starting to look pretty good. So is Alec the one who's going to be building it? So what we decided to do is an opening here for the tile, or in a tile, to put our shampoo in and things like that. But it is coming together pretty good. Guys are working very hard. Most of the guys are working very hard. I think my next video is going to be what I would do and what I would not do if I was to do this one more time. If I was going to build a house in the Philippines again, because there are some things that I'm very, very happy about, and then just some things that I'm, pretty disappointed in. But we'll leave that for the next video. Yeah, so all the doors got put on. These are interior doors over here. This one got on here. And then this guy got over here. And electrician is here today.
We need one set of hinges.
One set.
One more?
Yeah.
One set.
One.
Why is it too heavy?
I don't know.
need one set.
Why is it too heavy?
Because they have two.
Yeah.
Maybe just we need to support in between, in the middle.
Is it heavy? Let's see.
Yeah, even if they have Alex, pataran mo ito. You see that? Yeah. The vibration. If the doors maybe if they have the hinges in between middle, and then we have even to like that.
Oh, okay. Okay, we'll get one more.
Okay. That's why
Because the hinges ay maliliit.
hindi. Kailangan talaga meron sa gitna. Kasi pag tinan mo, pagka nasa loob, dito ka sa loob,
We can get
pag
one more,
nananakam
I
yung
guess.
pinto at nabagbagera.
Right.
At saka hindi yan hindi yan even. Eh, pag may hinges yan, susunod yan. Hindi even
Right.
yan.
Okay, we can do that.
Okay.
Dapat nga, pag gagawin yung hindi na gawin.
Pagka ganun mo na kay apat.
Mabigat yan eh.
Right.
Yes,
Should be
so
4 pieces. Should be 4 for the prop door. 4 hinges.
Too heavy. It's almost
So I don't wanna be shaky.
10 to 15 kilos. Alright.
So you want to put 4 on that one then?
Maybe we need to install
No.
that tray. Because malapad naman, just a 4 inches. Deep.
Okay. Well, if you want, we can pick up 2 more, but
Yeah.
you know, we're gonna be. Where are we going there tomorrow or no?
Tomorrow, yeah, we're going tomorrow to get the stuff. Saturday.
From Lipa, so we can probably pick it up then. The man, this pink wall looks so bad now. This pink and this green wall. I noticed now coming in here with the lights and everything, they just look so gross. I did pick up skim coat bags, so they are going to skim coat everything. I think we're gonna end up just painting these white. So wherever you see the pink and green, you guys, those were the walls that stayed. All right, so we have this wall, that wall, that wall. This was a huge wall over here, and it got all tore down, and then we made like a real big entrance in here into the kitchen, from kitchen to the living room. So, but these are the only walls. The ones that have paint on them are the ones that are the original from the original house. But we did, raise the floors. There was a big difference between those 2 bedrooms and coming down here. There was a 13-inch drop. So we did do that. So, I mean, if you're looking at budgeting the house, whether this would be a brand new build over just a renovation, this is basically a brand new build, except, like I said, 3 or 4 walls, then you guys can maybe budget 100,000 pesos into that. But other than that, it is, it's basically a new build. But these over here, we also changed the plugs over here. A couple connections got changed up because we originally gonna have the refrigerator right here. That was kind of the plan. But now seeing that this counter kind of comes out so far, and putting a fridge right here is just not gonna make any sense. And we didn't have any plugins over there, so we kind of had to run it off this one into that one. So that's what boys did do. And yeah, these doors over here are gonna be coming probably within a week or 10 days or so. We're gonna get all the windows. They all got measured up, and they're gonna, but they haven't built it yet. They haven't. We got to put a deposit on it. We got to basically pay for the material, and then they're gonna do these, and then we'll get them installed. So that's gonna be probably in 2 weeks. We're thinking about roughly. But it's gonna be a triple door right here, 2 of them sliding on that one. That one's gonna be a fixed. The one on the left is gonna be a fixed one. And then 2 of them are gonna be sliding into that one. So this is gonna be really good. Nice big opening over here for us. We want as much, you know, fresh air as possible. There is a fan over here that's going on. This one did get put on yesterday or the day before. He put this one on our electrician, and yeah, that one is going to be going over here. Getting a little bit later to the day, so the mosquitoes are coming out. For the next 2 hours, you guys, from like 6 to 8, these mosquitoes come out and just eat us alive, man. So we're gonna definitely have some screens over there on that door, and in our bedroom too. So our bedroom is gonna have a sliding door. We thought we were gonna just have like swinging doors over here, but the budget that they gave us, it's just gonna be too much for having swinging doors over here. They're gonna be pretty massive, so we're just gonna go with sliding doors over here as well. Mine as well. Yeah, lights went on in here too. The only thing that didn't that it still has to get done as far as electrician goes. He's got to put lights out here. There's gonna be lights outside as well. This is going to this septic tank is gonna get covered. That's how far the patio is gonna go. So it's a little over 2 meters. It's like 8 feet. And that patio is gonna kind of go from this side of the house all the way to the other side of the house, where that beautiful green wall is over there. But yeah, that is the progress so far. You know, like I said, I think I'm gonna do a video next on like the things what I would do and would not do if I was to build again, because there's a bunch of things that, you know, we're happy about, and there is just some things that we're just not. So I think we'll make a video out of that. But yeah, so that's the progress so far, you guys. It's coming along pretty good. It's starting to feel like a home now, not just a build. We can't wait to be in here. I think the countertops are gonna go on next week. Then the plumbing, the electrician is gonna finish things up. We're gonna put the windows and doors on, and you know, we're gonna slowly start moving in. But yeah, that's the progress so far. Stay tuned for the next video, you guys. It's gonna be coming in a couple days about, like I said, I think, you know, things that if you are thinking about building, what my suggestion recommendations are. All right, but till next week, you guys, peace out.